This is Village Auto's 2011 GMC Yukon XL SLT 4-wheel drive. Very clean SUV with a power rear liftgate, rear wiper, rear defrost, rear backup camera, rear park assist, tow package, alloy wheels with 4 new tires. Very clean, well-maintained SUV. This one does come equipped with a 5.3 liter Vortec V8 along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $17,368. Let's get inside here. In the SLT package is a full leather interior. This is 8-passenger SUV with a 3rd row seat. The rear headrest DVD players, aftermarket. They do work. Of course, they have full power options, power driver's side seat with memory, heated front leather seats, power passenger seat, AM/FM CD player with the auxiliary input, dual automatic climate control, adjustable foot pedals, steering wheel audio controls along with cruise. You also have the tow haul mode, auto sig feature, OnStar, electronic 4-wheel drive switch with auto feature. Altogether very clean, very well maintained SUV that runs and drives out perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2011 GMC Yukon SLT XL 4-wheel drive home with you today.